Starting with the Geevorks Nail Gun, this high-pressure tool is designed for demanding tasks such as woodworking and cement wall fastening. It comes equipped with 5 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to control the force for precise and optimal penetration depending on the material. With a robust noise reduction cover, the Geevorks Nail Gun also operates quietly, an excellent feature for indoor or residential projects where noise control is crucial. Its automatic slag discharge hole is another thoughtful feature, clearing residue and gunpowder buildup, ensuring that the tool remains clean and functional even after hours of continuous use. The ergonomic anti-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue and improving accuracy. For anyone handling heavy-duty projects, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel overhead rotary hammer is a powerhouse. Despite its compact 6.9-inch size, it has the capacity to drill through concrete, wood and brick, making it ideal for both professional and at-home tasks. Powered by a brushless motor, it handles these materials efficiently and is designed with an auto-stop control mode, which stops the tool automatically if the bit gets stuck. This feature not only protects the tool, but also enhances safety, especially when drilling in challenging conditions. The RedLink Plus system prevents overheating, while the red lithium battery allows you to work longer without frequent recharges. Designed for those tough, hard-to-reach spaces, the Milwaukee M18 is a tool built to last, with all the convenience of cordless power. The Ryobi R18 Drain Auger is your go-to tool for home plumbing emergencies. This drain auger is specifically crafted to clear blockages in sinks, bathtubs, and toilets, providing a cleaner, faster, and more efficient way to deal with clogged drains. Its 7.6-meter auger cable is designed to move through pipes at up to 600 RPM, effectively breaking down blockages with minimal mess. The auto feed lock ensures that the cable distributes smoothly, saving time and effort, and allowing you to take on plumbing issues without professional assistance. Say goodbye to costly plumbing visits. This tool empowers you to tackle drain issues on your own. Achieving a perfectly smooth finish is easy with the Festool ETS Sander. Designed to prevent tipping or over-sanding, this tool delivers a high-quality, consistent finish on various surfaces. Cordless and powered by a reliable battery, it allows you to move freely without the constraint of a power outlet. Additional features like angle adjustment and soft sanding mode make it a versatile tool for detailed work on any project. Simple abrasive changes and an ergonomic handle enhance usability, while its high performance reduces sanding time by up to 50%, making it ideal for professionals and DIYers alike. For efficient tool organization, the Milwaukee Packout 15-inch structured tote is an invaluable addition to any workspace. Made from tear-resistant ballistic material, this tote can handle up to 50 pounds, making it perfect for carrying both large and small tools. The tote securely connects with Milwaukee's Packout modular storage system, allowing you to stack and organize gear seamlessly. Its 39 pockets keep everything in place, while the all-metal hardware and YKK zippers provide durability for heavy use. Whether you're moving between job sites or need a reliable way to organize tools, this tote offers both strength and flexibility. The Tradesman Pro Cooler isn't just a cooler, it's a multi-purpose tool designed for those long work days. This cooler keeps your food and drinks cool for up to 30 hours, with a sturdy 16.1-litre capacity that holds up to 18 cans. Supporting up to 300 pounds, it doubles as a seat, making it highly practical for the job site. With a lid that opens a full 180 degrees for easy access, it also has dedicated storage for essentials like phones, utensils, and personal items. For those long, intense work days, the Tradesman Pro Cooler combines comfort, durability, and convenience in one robust design. Cutting through fabric, vinyl, leather, and other tough materials is effortless with the Sailrite cordless rotary cutter. This cutter's sharp rotary blade and built-in blade sharpener allow you to make precise cuts quickly. It's a portable tool that operates safely without the need for a cutting mat and includes an integrated light for visibility on detailed cuts. Suitable for quilters, upholsterers, and anyone working with thick materials, this cutter ensures clean cuts every time and is a valuable addition to any workspace. Syslite Work Light is a versatile lighting solution engineered to provide high-quality, even illumination across a wide range of work environments, from construction sites to delicate home projects. It features multiple brightness settings, allowing you to tailor the light output to suit the specific demands of each task. This adjustability not only improves visibility, but also reduces eye strain, allowing you to work comfortably for extended periods. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, which provides long-lasting power without the need for an outlet, ensuring portability and convenience no matter where you're working. Its sturdy, adjustable stand allows for hands-free positioning at optimal angles, so you can focus on your work without needing to hold or reposition the light. The FrameFast fastening system is a must-have for anyone working on framing or assembly tasks in both residential and commercial construction. It simplifies and speeds up the assembly process by offering pre-drilled holes and an alignment system, significantly reducing the time and effort required for construction. Designed to work with a wide variety of materials, including wood and metal, this fastening system is built to provide robust, reliable connections that ensure structural integrity across different applications. Whether you're building walls, assembling roofing structures, or creating sturdy frameworks, the FrameFast system helps to save on labor costs by streamlining complex tasks and minimizing the strain associated with long hours of repetitive assembly. The 3M Hand Masker Dispenser is an innovative tool that simplifies surface preparation, one of the most time-consuming tasks in painting and finishing projects. This dispenser applies painter's tape to masking film or paper in one smooth, continuous motion, working 4 to 5 times faster than traditional methods. It is compatible with a range of 3M masking films and Scotch Blue painter's tapes, which allows it to handle wide rolls of film up to 144 inches and paper up to 18 inches, making it highly adaptable for projects of various scales. Whether you're prepping walls for a fresh coat of paint, texturing a ceiling, finishing an exterior surface, or sanding floors, this tool significantly reduces preparation time, helping you achieve a cleaner, more precise result. The indexing nail puller is designed to tackle the tedious and often frustrating task of nail removal with efficiency and ease. Featuring a patented head that rotates a full 180 degrees and locks into 14 different positions, this tool offers maximum flexibility and leverage, making it easier to access and remove nails in awkward or hard-to-reach spots. Its corrosion-resistant, high-visibility finish ensures durability and longevity, protecting the tool from rust and allowing you to locate it easily among other tools. The nail puller also features a striking surface, so you can use a hammer or mallet to loosen even the most stubborn nails without damaging the tool. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue and making it easier to tackle larger projects. The Greenlee G1 Versi-Tugger is a compact portable cable puller designed to simplify cable installation, especially in tight spaces and challenging environments. This tool is invaluable for electricians, telecommunications installers, and anyone working on complex wiring projects, as it provides the power and control needed to pull cables through conduits without hassle. The Versi-Tugger features adjustable pulling force, allowing you to customize the tool's strength depending on the cable size and project demands, reducing strain on the user and preventing cable damage. Its user-friendly controls make it a one-person operation, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. The M18 Compact 1-ton chain hoist brings the power and convenience of advanced lifting technology to job sites, allowing users to lift and position heavy materials with ease and precision. Powered by M18 red lithium batteries, this hoist eliminates the need for tangled extension cords, giving you the freedom to operate it anywhere on site. One of its standout features is its wireless remote control, which offers a 60-foot range and allows for variable speed adjustments, giving you precise control over each lift. The hoist also includes a fine adjustment feature, which is particularly useful for installations that require accuracy, such as structural steel, HVAC systems, and heavy machinery. Weighing only 46 pounds, the M18 chain hoist is easy to transport and can be paired with a rolling cart for added convenience on the job site. Capable of lifting up to 2,204 pounds with a 20-foot chain, this hoist combines impressive lifting capacity with the flexibility to handle vertical and inverted lifts.